Okay, so our topic for today is all about adding and subtracting radicals. So, meron tayong steps na kailangang gawin or sundin para mag-add or mag-subtract ng radicals. So, pagsabay na natin yung addition and subtraction of radicals kasi parehas din sila ng steps. Okay, step number 1. So, meron tayong so simplify each radical. So, simplify muna natin yung radical. And then, step number 2. So, to add or subtract radicals, the indices and what is inside the radical, called the radicand, must be exactly the same. So, ibig sabihin, yung indices natin at yung radicand dapat ay magkaparehas. Parehas ang indices, parehas ang radicand. Okay? So, ang i-add lang or subtract natin ay yung coefficient, yung number sa harapan ng radical sign. Okay, so if the indices and radicands are the same, then add or subtract the terms in front. So ito lang yung i-add or i-minus natin, and then copy the common radicals. So, isulat lang natin yung pagkatapos i-add or i-minus, i-copy lang natin yung common. So, isa lang isusulat natin dyan, yung common lang. If the indices or radicands are not the same, so pag hindi daw magkaparehas, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-add or i-subtract. Halimbawa, meron tayong 3 times square root of 5 plus minus 2 cube root of 5. So, ito hindi natin siya pwedeng i-add or i-subtract kasi hindi sila parehas ng indices. Ito 2, ito 3. Kahit na parehas yung radicand nila. Okay? Or, hindi rin pwede yung cube root of 3 plus minus cube root of 4. Yan. 2 cube root of 3 plus minus 1 cube root of 4. Kahit na parehas ang index nila, yung radicand naman nila is hindi magka-parehas. So, hindi din natin sila pwedeng i-add or i-minus. So, yan na yung sagot kung nagkataon. Okay, so punta tayo sa example number 1A. So, meron tayong 2 times square root of 3. So, ang operation yan is ito, magkadikit yan sa multiplication yan. 2 times square root of 3. Ganon din dito. 3 times square root of 3. Okay. So, since magkapare sila ng indices, so pag walang nakasulat, ibig sabihin siya ay 2 or square root. And then yung radicand natin ay 3 at 3. So, like radical sila. So, pwede nating i-add yung coefficient na 2 at 3. Okay. So, that is 2 plus 3. And then, write the common radical. So, square root of 3. So, i-add lang natin to. 2 plus 3, that is 5. times square root of 3. Okay. So, yung square root of 3 naman is not a perfect square root. So, hindi siya pwedeng lumabas sa radical sign. So, this is our final answer. Okay. Or, yan. Kung gusto niyo ng shortcut, pag nakita niyo magkaparehas ang indices at radicand, add na natin agad yung coefficient. 2 plus 3, 5. Okay. Next, example number 1b. So, nasa cube root tayo ngayon. And pare sila ng indices or ng index. And then yung radicand natin dito is 7x, 7x. Okay, so pwede nating i-minus yung coefficient na 5 at 2. So, meron tayong 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 times cube root of 7x. So, yung common na radicals natin, isulat natin dito. And then, subtract 5 minus 2. So, meron tayong 3. 5 minus 2 is 3 times cube root of 7x. And 7 is not a perfect cube root. And this is our final answer. Okay. So, kung gusto nyo naman ng shortcut, yan. Since magkapares ito, dito, direct nyo na. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then, write the common or the like radicals. Alright.